In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Connect to the Internet, You're Offline error on the YouTube app on your Windows PC. As you can see, when I open the YouTube, I get the message Connect to the Internet, You're Offline. Check your connection. The strange thing is that my internet is working perfectly. Here's how to fix it. First, close the YouTube app or browser tab. Now open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Reset Settings. Next, click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings to confirm. Wait for Google Chrome to complete the reset process. Once it's finished, now make sure your internet connection is working properly. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, check that the network is connected and has internet access. If you're using a mobile hotspot, make sure the hotspot is turned on and that your data limit hasn't been reached. After confirming your internet connection, open YouTube again. The homepage should now load normally without showing the Connect to the Internet, You're Offline error. That's it. This is how you can fix the YouTube Connect to the Internet error on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.